Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Brush. I brush my teeth after waking up. Shower. I take a shower in the morning. Dress. I get dressed for work. Breakfast. I prepare breakfast for myself. News. I read the news while having breakfast. Commute. I commute to work by bus. Music. I listen to music during my commute. Office. I arrive at the office at 9 a.m. Emails. I check my emails when I get to work. Meeting. I attend a team meeting at 10 a.m. Projects. I work on my project through the morning. Coffee. I take a coffee break at 11 a.m. Lunch. I have lunch at noon. Colleagues. I often eat lunch with my colleagues. Walk. I take a short walk after lunch. Afternoon. I continue working in the afternoon. Thank you very much.